welcome to another Ubuntu Geeks tutorial. I'm Unicorn and I have my printers up and running now. It's the first print here. It looks fairly smooth. It's a bit weird. I think it's the extruder with the feeding to the extruder and maybe something to strengthen the little plastic here. But yeah, we have some weird issues there, but I think it's the feeding when it's feeding the plastic. Or maybe something with the heat as well. You can see that it's in this area we have a lot more heat probably or something. Or perhaps the leveling, that the level is a bit weird. But I'm gonna print it through, see how it looks. It's running! That's really amazing. So yeah, I will print some stuff and see how it works. I hope you guys will watch more videos. Thank you, bye bye.